Now, this video is actually based on your toilet handle. This is the handle that you basically press down to flush your toilet. If you have a problem where it's either your water sound like it's running or your water is running, every time you press the handle, the tank fills up, but still your water is still running. The second scenario is when you press down the handle feels real loose. Like it feels like it's not catching anything. So when you press it down, nothing is flushing. The first thing you do is take the cover off. And always place the cover on a flat surface. Don't lean it against anything because it might slide and break. So always lean your cover after you take it off flat on the floor. Now this is the inside. Okay? A lot of time what causes your water to continuously running is because the chain that's attached to your flapper can actually get tangled up, and it make the length of the chain kind of short. So it have the flapper in a way where the flapper is still open. It's not, because the chain is tangled up and it make the flapper create a gap between the flapper and the draining hole. And that's one of the reasons why your water is still running. The second thing, as far as the second scenario, as far as when you flush and you don't hear anything as far as your toilet is flushing, the problem with that a lot of time is because it's either your chain broke or your chain is unhooked from that, or somehow your flapper done broke from the bottom, one of the hooks, or somewhere over here where this thing right here, where you're supposed to take it off, is actually loose. Let me try to take this out and show you. Basically, to unloose this bolt right here, you can use something like this and then loose it up and take that out and then unhook your chain just like so. If your problem is your flush handle, so this is the only thing that you basically gonna have to change. You just kind of wriggle it and then it will come out. And then all you do is just get the replacement. Do it just like so. Put it back in there. Put your washer back in there. Remember, the washer, this thing goes this way, where the flat surface goes against this wall right here. Don't do it the other way. You fish it in. get a hang of it. Just be patient. And make sure this is flush mount. Another time, you don't need tools to put it back in because you don't need to tie it too much. And then hook up your chain back in there. Just the same length that it was before. Okay? Thank you.